Hey, thanks for watching again. This time we learn how to remove objects in After Effects with Content-aware. You can remove unwanted items with this tool. So let's start how we can do this. So here we are inside After Effects, and first, we drag a video clip in the timeline. We simply scroll down this window. You can find here the Content-aware field tool. If you can't see, here go to Windows and slide. Here is Content-aware. Now we remove this person. We simply do this with the mask. In After Effects, various types are available for masks. We use the pen tool to create a mask. Press the G on a keyboard, and select the pen tool. And create a mask around the object that you want to remove. Our mask is complete. Now go to the masks and select None option. So we can easily do the next step, which is the animate mask. Now you can see your mask is complete. Now we animate this frame by frame. We simply go to Mask. Here click on Mask Path. Stopwatch keyframe. We animate this mask. So you do this carefully. If you do this in hurry, you cannot get good results. So please make sure you can do very perfect animation of the mask. We complete this. You can see our mask is animated. Now go to See Content-aware Fill window. And first, we select the mask and change this into a subtract. Click here and see various options. So first is the alpha expansion. This is basically how much area you want to remove. If you increase this number, it increases size. Select Fill Method Object. Make sure this option is on, and select this strong. So After Effects removes object with this more correctly. The next two options are the work area and the entire duration. This is basically which part you want to work. You work on only a select area, or for the entire duration of the clip. So we select the work area, not the entire duration. Next, we have two options: generate a reference frame and generate a fill layer. These are basically different options. You can create a manual reference frame, or create one automatically with After Effects. First, we create with generate a fill layer. We click here simply. You can see here After Effects is creating this. This shows times, according to your video length, and the performance of your PC. You can see here our video is ready. After Effects removes our person very smoothly. Here is your final. This is a very good feature in After Effects. With this we save a lot of time. Now, we go with create a reference frame. We don't need to create mask in this method. We simply click here, and the same frame After Effects opens in Photoshop. And you can remove this with Content-aware in Photoshop. There is various option available for selection in Photoshop, and you can also do this with the pen tool. Just to show you an example of this. Select the subject with this. Here is, and just right click. And here you can see the content or fill. Click OK, and this window will open. Here second window show you final result after doing this. And you see here this green area. This is basically area where Photoshop pick a sample to fill this. You can select or remove this area manually with mouse. You can see we remove this with just simply click like this. If you want Photoshop do not pick area, do that. Once you have done all things, then simply click on apply. You can see our subject is removed. And now we go to After Effects. And you can see here. So one layer is created. And it is reference frame created by Photoshop. This is here we've done that. That's it for today. Click here to get free video editing templates. And subscribe a channel for more videos.